Hey there, welcome to today's video. Have you ever felt the urge to share your financial knowledge but hesitated due to camera shyness? Well, fear not. In this video, I'm going to guide you through creating your very own finance tips channel without ever showing your face. Yes, you heard that right. You can do it all using ChatGPT and Canva in just 10 minutes. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Setting up. First things first, let's get our tools ready. Open up Canva and ChatGPT. If you haven't already, sign up for both. They're free and incredibly user-friendly. Setting up Canva is a breeze. It's a powerful graphic design platform that offers a wide range of customizable templates tailored for various purposes, including YouTube channel art. Simply sign up for an account and you're ready to go. Similarly, ChatGPT is your AI-powered brainstorming assistant. It's a tool that can generate text based on prompts you provide. No need to worry about complex setups or installations. Just log in and start exploring its capabilities. Number 2. Designing channel art. Now, let's focus on the visual appeal of your channel. Creating eye-catching channel art is crucial to attract viewers. Don't worry if you're not a graphic designer. Canva makes it super easy to create professional-looking designs in no time. Canva offers a plethora of templates specifically designed for YouTube channel art. From minimalist designs to bold and colorful ones, you're sure to find something that suits your style. Simply choose a template, customize it with your branding elements, and you're done. Once you're satisfied with your channel art, download it and save it for later use. Remember, your channel art is the first thing viewers see when they visit your channel, so make sure it reflects the essence of your content and entices them to explore further. Number 3. Generating content ideas. With our channel looking fabulous, let's fill it with engaging content. Using ChatGPT, we can brainstorm a plethora of content ideas effortlessly. See how ChatGPT instantly provides us with a wealth of ideas? It's like having a personal brainstorming assistant. ChatGPT works by processing the prompts you provide and generating text based on its training data. You can ask it questions, give it scenarios, or even provide keywords related to your niche. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your content creation arsenal. Number 4. Scripting videos. Now that we have a treasure trove of ideas, let's structure them into compelling scripts. ChatGPT will be our trusty companion in this task, ensuring our content is structured and engaging. ChatGPT makes scripting a breeze. It's like having a virtual writing partner by your side. Writing scripts can be a daunting task, especially if you're not a natural wordsmith. However, with ChatGPT, the process becomes much more manageable. Simply input your ideas or key points and let ChatGPT expand on them with coherent and fluent text. ChatGPT can help you outline your videos, flesh out key points, and even suggest transitions between topics. Whether you're creating educational content, tutorials, or entertaining skits, ChatGPT can streamline the scripting process and help you deliver polished and engaging videos. Number 5. Editing and uploading. With our scripts ready and our channel art looking fantastic, it's time to bring everything together. Let's edit our videos with editing software and upload them to YouTube. And just like that, our Faceless Finance Tips channel is live, ready to empower viewers with financial wisdom. Editing your videos is where you add the final polish to your content. Whether you're trimming clips, adding transitions, or incorporating visual effects, editing software allows you to fine-tune your videos to perfection. Once your videos are edited to your satisfaction, it's time to upload them to YouTube. Simply log in to your YouTube account, click on the Upload button, and follow the prompts to upload your video files. Don't forget to optimize your video title, description, and tags for maximum visibility. And there you have it. Our Faceless Finance Tips channel is now live and ready to help viewers improve their financial literacy. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. Creating a Faceless Finance Tips channel using ChatGPT and Canva in just 10 minutes is not only possible, but incredibly easy. Whether you're camera shy or simply prefer to remain anonymous, these tools have got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start sharing your financial wisdom with the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.